Good morning friends, welcome you back. In the last lecture what we have seen about the requirements of combustion. So what were the requirements for combustion? The requirements for the combustion were oxygen and ignition temperature. Yes, but what we have also studied, so how can we control fire? By cutting off the oxygen requirement to the fire, to the flame, or by reducing what? Ignition temperature. Yes, so we can also do one thing. What we can do? We can do distribution of heat. How heat distribution can be done? By conduction. By what? Conduction. That also you have studied conduction, convection and radiation, how the heat is being transferred. So we can transfer the heat from one place to another by conduction. Yes, so that can be the next method, that how can we do what? Control the fire. So suppose this is a paper conical flask. Yes, this is a conical flask, and this is a paper cone. This is a paper cone which you have made, and I start burning. So what will happen? This cone will start burning. Yes, it will start burning itself. Yes, it will burn. But if I put a half, if I fill this half with the water, what happens if I fill this half with the water and then I start burning, right? Then what will happen? This paper cone will not start burning. Yes, this will not start burning. Why? Because the heat whatever we are providing, that is ignition temperature which we are providing to the paper, will be distributed to the water. Means the water will get heated but the paper will not start burning. So at the condition, either we remove the water, then we will be able to burn the paper, or until and unless the water is not boiled and is being evaporated, till then the cone will not start burning. Yes, so the cone will start burning when the water is being evaporated, right? Means then the distribution where the heat will be, because the heat which we are supplying from here, will, what will happen? Will go to paper, but this, by the process of conduction, it will be transferred to the water. So the water will start boiling and water will start heating. There will be no flame formation. There will be no process of burning or combustion, because it will not attain its ignition temperature. Is it clear? So we can also control fire by third method, that is distribution of heat. We can transfer the heat. Yes? Okay. So this is about the combustion, its requirement, and how can we control. Now let's study about the types of combustion. What we can study about the types of combustion. What is actually the types of combustion? There are three types of combustion which you can see. The first one, rapid. नाम से ही पता चलता है rapid का मतलब क्या होता है? Fast. तो fast मतलब क्या? You are playing rapid fire game. Yes, what happens in that? आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं कि आपको उसका तुरंत जवाब देना है. तो रैपिड कंबस्शन मतलब क्या होगा? फास्ट, एकदम इंस्टेंट. तो इसमें क्या होगा? व्हाट हैपेंस? माचिस जलाते हैं, गैस के पास रखते हो, जैसे बर्नर के पास रखा माचिस, वैसे ही क्या हो गया? फ्लेम स्टार्ट. तो कंबस्शन स्टार्ट. सो दैट इज रैपिड कंबस्शन. बर्नर स्टार्ट्स बर्निंग इंस्टेंटली, तुरंत वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है बर्नर. स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबस्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबस्शन? तो स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबस्शन का मतलब ऑन द स्पॉट। जैसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, बीरबल जो था वो क्या था, स्पॉन्टेनियस पर्सन, स्पॉन्टेनियस। जैसे उसको कुछ सोचने समझने की कोई टाइम नहीं चाहिए, उसको जैसे सवाल पूछा नहीं कि उसका जवाब उसके पास हाजिर होता है। जैसे हमने हाजिर जवाबी बोलते थे ना उसको, तो वैसे ही स्पॉन्टेनियस। तो जैसे कि हम क्या निकालते हैं, फॉस्फोरस, है ना, जैसे ही उसको बाहर निकाला तो वो क्या करने लगता है, रिएक्ट करने लगता है, इट विल स्टार्ट बर्निंग, राइट। तो स्पॉन्टेनियस, इट विल नॉट टेक एनी टाइम, विदाउट टेकिंग टाइम it will start burning. Here in both the heat is being liberated, heat liberation होता है। Yes, heat liberation is there, and there is also what, flame. Yes, flame and flame. But explosion is the third type, which is something different. What it is? It is something different. How we say it is different? Because in this there is liberation of heat, there you can see flame or light, and there is also the sound. There is sound production. Yes, it is sound production also takes place. Yes, so these are the three types. तो अब कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक्सप्लोजन क्या हो गया? तो एक्सप्लोजन में क्या हो गया? Here, heat, फ्लेम और लाइट, वी कैन से लिबरेशन ऑफ द लाइट एंड साउंड। तो किस में होता है ये? क्रैकर्स, फटाके दिवाली में जलाते हैं तो क्या होता है, बम जला है तो क्या हुआ, आवाज़ हुई, हीट रिलीज हुआ, गर्मी निकलती है, आवाज़ आती है, और क्या हुआ, फ्लेम, लाइट, बम ब्लास्ट करते हैं तो क्या आपको आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, लाइट दिखाई देता है, और गर्मी, हीट रिलीज होती है। यस, so explosion, that is bomb blasting, fire cracking, all these things are the explosions. Yes, these are three types of combustion. So rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and explosions. Rapid combustion में माचिस को जैसे ही ऐसे लगाया वैसे तीली स्टार्ट हो गई, जैसे ही गैस के पास लाइटर क्लिक किया और बर्नर स्टार्ट हो गया। Then spontaneous combustion, and spontaneous means it is instant, it will not take any time, without wasting a single second it will start heat liberation, and there will be also the flame, and the explosion, it's something different because we can also hear sound in the explosion. So friends, in the next lecture we will see about the flame, its types and how are they categorized. We will see the structures of the flame also. Thank you.